guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today we're going to UBBALAMADHUGU waterfalls, and it is located all the way in Andhra Pradesh, and the place where I'm living right now is in Tamil Nadu. So guys, this will be a little long video, but don't worry, you will see us having the experience,
this could
swimming,
be good for me,
fishing, and many more.
Maybe fishing because there might be no fish.
So you guys, don't stop the video.
when you talk to me.
Instead, follow along with us. Dive in. After a long drive, we made a stop and look at these cool flowers. If you know what they are, comment down below, please. And also, if you know what these flowers are, comment down below too. And guys, right now I'm gonna take a break for a snack, and then I'll continue on our trip. Let's go.
Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days searching for your praise, but is it even there to find? For me to clean your memories, will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
So guys, if you liked our adventure today, and comment down below if you saw any fish. And yes, can you zoom in and tell me what fish are they below in the comments? Great! And I'll end the video right here, right now. So guys, it is the end of today's video. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.